What sets our law firm apart from others are three things: our experience, our trial results, and our hands-on approach to cases. My law partner and I, John Taylor, we have over 65 years of experience representing victims of serious injuries in California. We have been in every court in this state for a long time, and we know how the system works. We're trial lawyers. We try cases in front of juries. Not many lawyers do that nowadays. And that's super important because the defendant and their insurance companies look at that and they take that into consideration, and when they decide to settle a case, they know we'll try the case and win. And then finally, the third thing that sets us apart is we are really involved in our cases. If I'm working on a case for a client, I know that case, I'm involved in it, I'm hands-on, I know exactly what's going on, and that makes a big difference. Clients don't just meet me on the day one of the case and never see me again. They get to deal with me throughout.
We handle a wide range of personal injury cases. This includes accidents from cars, buses, pedestrian accidents, those types of things. We also handle premises liability cases or defective product cases. We represent people who have been catastrophically injured and suffered spinal cord injuries or orthopedic injuries, brain injuries. We also represent people who have been harmed from abuse or neglect from other people. Over the years, we have represented many people who have been sexually abused or bullied by others. We also represent people who have been mistreated at their place of employment, such as retaliation, discrimination, wrongful termination. And we also represent people who have been, whose civil rights have been violated as a result of police misconduct.
When we take a case here, we're all in on the case. And in doing that, we are able to handle fewer cases and staff them with a number of lawyers, whether it's both partners or partner and associate, as well as at least one support staff member. And in doing that, we're able to maintain a relationship with the client so that we can follow what the progress is as somebody's moving through the litigation, both in terms of recovering from their injury and emotionally kind of where they're staying in terms of the litigation. So we're able to give a lot more attention and focus on a smaller number of people.
So I think the most important thing to look for in hiring a personal injury lawyer is a lawyer or a law firm that can actually take your case to trial. A lot of times there are lawyers who don't actually go to trial, and out in the legal community, the defense lawyers and the insurance companies, they know who the lawyers are that go to trial, and that greatly impacts how seriously they take your case and also the settlement value of your case. And then also I would just say someone that you can relate to, that you're comfortable talking with, that you feel comfortable telling every single detail of your case to and of your life in some ways. And then finally, also just someone that you can get on the phone, someone that will always be available for you and isn't just going to, have you talk to an assistant or put you in their voicemail or say, oh, I'll get back to you in a week. You should always be able to reach your lawyer. That is incredibly important, because how are you going to be able to let your lawyer know how you're feeling, how your life is doing, what's going on in your life, if you can't actually talk to that person and connect with that person?